Hi, in this quick video we'll check how to express realistic ruching detail in CLO. So the cutout ruched detail is now being very popular in all sorts of garments, and you can be very creative using it. It's also achievable by many technical ways. I tried to express the tunnel with the ruched fabric in CLO and experimented two ways of doing it. So it actually depends on what effect you like more. It actually looks more different after rendering, like the difference between the two ways is very visible. So the right one is made of two parts, the actual pattern piece and the separate tunnel part that is sewn to the pattern. The other one is one piece with elastic being added close to the edge. I personally like more the first one as it gives me more three-dimensional effect after rendering, and the second one looks more flat to me. It also looks more as if it was given elastic in the interior but without the actual strap going through the tunnel. As my top is more like strings and tunnels, I now will show you how to change the middle part, which is the whole piece, into the first version of ruching. First of all, the first version is made of two pieces, and the seam line in the pattern piece and the tunnel has the same length. As you can see, the seam line is edited and the elastic is added. The strength is about 40, and then there is also shirring added to the line. Same thing in the tunnel part, elastic and shirring on the seam line, but the middle line, which is the fold line, has only a little elastic and no shirring. The second version is one piece, with the internal line 8 mm from the edge. The edge line has no elastic nor shirring, as you see, and the internal line is where the elastic property is added, as well as the shirring. Okay, so let's go back to the middle piece. So I make the pattern piece similar to the one I have. But I add the tunnel piece separately, which is a rectangle being folded. So I use the fold tool and click sewing. So I replace the sewing segments and then I switch the old pattern piece with the new one. And now I select the upper tunnel line and I add elastic in the property editor window. So you select the line, I go to the property editor window and then I add elastic. I'm going to add elastic and ruching. So there are like more parameters that you can check what works for you. Whatever. So I make Okay, once I'm happy with the result, I delete my underwear and I change the resolution of the garment so it's prepared for the rendering. Done! Looks really nice. I'll see you on the next one.